Toastmaster Club of Pune West. In this segment, we're going to explain the role of Sergeant at Arms. SAA. We are your hosts, Toastmaster Devyani Kopade and Toastmaster Soham Badekar, who have curated this course for you. And today I, Devyani, would be conducting this session. So let us begin. What does a SAA do? The Sergeant at Arms is the operation manager of the meeting. He sets up the environment for success. He's the first person to arrive and last to leave. He makes sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. So all he has to do is arrive early, set up the room, arrange the seating, distribute agendas, and also cater to the door. So if anybody is knocking at the door, they have to make sure that they open and close it within time when the speaker is not speaking, maintain order and decorum, and close the meeting and clean up. So what do you have to do before the meeting? The very first thing is distribution of agenda. The Toastmaster of the day would be getting agenda printouts for everybody. As Sergeant at Arms, it's your responsibility to distribute it to everyone and make sure our members and guests get it. Another thing you have to do is prepare the blackboard. As you can see here, this is the template that you have to follow. So you write the theme, the word of the day, idiom of the day, which would be given to you by the language evaluator. Write the name of the speakers, the evaluators, and role players as well on the board. So again, you are the first person to come up on stage and introduce everyone. So your Josh has to be high. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Toastmaster Club of Pune West. That enthusiasm would be required. At 7 p.m. sharp, that's our meeting timing, you take the gavel and you hit it on the board, and that's when officially the meeting starts. Make sure you start exactly on time so that the timer and the agenda can be followed accordingly. You can find the script here. Go to our WhatsApp group, go to roles, and click on the roles part on Drive. And here you can see scripts for everything. The Sergeant at Arms script with everything you need to follow is written there. So as I mentioned before, you have to show a lot of enthusiasm. So when you come up on stage, you welcome the guests and the members and talk a bit about the theme. So the theme can change every week. So make sure you alter your script accordingly. Then you have to state the club mission, the club rules, and also do guest introductions. So state the club mission. This is our club mission that has been provided. Make sure you say it word to word without messing anything up. If you're not very confident, you're free to read it out, but this has to be said word to word. Here are the rules that you have to explain. So, for example, you just tell everyone, keep your phones on silent and switch them off. I'll give you 10 seconds to do so now. So, wait for 10 seconds until everybody switches off their phone. Applaud loudly when a person comes up on stage. Can we have a demo? And you start clapping yourself, and everybody will follow. Give a firm handshake when coming up on the dais and leaving it. Can I ask Toastmaster, for example, Soham, to come up? You can talk to him before the meeting, and they will come up and give you a firm handshake so that everybody will know. Kindly refrain from moving in and out during the room during a speaker session, and any member coming late. So everything is mentioned here, which you can also find in the script in the drive. So these are the rules that you have to follow. After that, you have to ask guest introductions. Guests are a very important part of a Toastmasters club because they are here and they are curious to know about us, and so we are of them. So you can ask the guest to get up one after the other and ask them, hello guest, can you please introduce yourself? Your name, profession, how did you get to know about Toastmasters, and what is your motivation to join? One after the other, all the guests would introduce themselves, and then you can hand over the dais to the Toastmaster of the day. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can contact the VP Education of the club.